Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your voice into text in 10 seconds. If you want a faster and easier way to get your thoughts down on paper, voice typing is a game changer. Let's get started. Let's begin with Microsoft Word. Voice typing or dictation is available in Microsoft 365, and all you need is a microphone and an internet connection. To start, open a new or existing document in Word and go to the Home tab. On the far right side of the toolbar, you'll see a button labeled Dictate. You can also use the shortcut Alt plus Backtick, the symbol next to the number 1 key on your keyboard. Click the Dictate button and it will turn on and start listening to you. Start speaking and watch as your words are typed out automatically on the screen. If you want to adjust the settings, click the gear icon next to the Dictate button. Here, you can change your language, adjust microphone settings, and toggle features like auto-punctuation. You can choose whether Word automatically adds punctuation or if you prefer to add it yourself. There's also a profanity filter that replaces sensitive words with asterisks. During dictation, you can use voice commands to add punctuation, format your text, or navigate through your document. For example, say period to add a period, say new line to move to a new line. To bold text, say bold followed by the word you want to emphasize. In addition to dictating, Word also has a transcribe feature. This allows you to record conversations or upload audio files, and Word will automatically transcribe them, even identifying different speakers. After the transcription is done, you can edit it, change speaker names, and insert the entire transcript or specific parts into your document. A lesser known but handy feature in Word is text to speech. If you want to have your document read aloud, press Ctrl plus Alt plus a space. You can adjust the speed and voice to suit your preferences, making it great for multitasking or reviewing notes. Next, let's look at Google Docs. The process is quite similar to Word, but with a few differences. In the web-based version of Google Docs, you can start voice typing by clicking Tools in the menu and then selecting Voice Typing. Just like Word, Google Docs will use the default language you've set, and there are several language options available. However, voice commands for editing and formatting are currently only available in English. You can use commands like bold, italic, and delete to format your document, but be aware that the voice command options are limited in Google Docs for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.